Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share something that will surely help you to improve your English. So first of all, I would like to know from you that please tell me on comment, do you want to learn English but you don't know how to do it? Whenever you want to speak something, that time you forget. That time you don't know that what to speak, what not to speak, where to start, where not to start, what to speak. Have you ever feel like this? If you Yeah, so you should watch this video till the end because I have something about this problem that how you can remove it. So please stop doing whatever you are doing and start listening, which I am going to share because what things I have that I want to share in this video that will surely help you to improve your English. I'm not talking about English. Whatever you want to do, what kind of work you want to do, I don't know about that. So please don't skip this video. Watch till the very end. Today I will show you something that will surely help you to improve your English. So I want to tell you that please, have you ever tried to know that why some people speak fast and some people, I'm not saying both people have same knowledge. They know English, they know grammar rule, they know thousands of words. Still, one person they are speaking very fast English, and second person they don't know why. What is the weakness? Because of that person they have a knowledge. They know about the past, present, future. They have a lot of word in their mind. What when they try to speak, they don't know what to speak. They feel like I don't know anything about this language. Their mind feel empty. So what will you think about that person that they don't know anything about this language? There is nothing. They have a one biggest problem about which I am talking: fear. Fear of making mistake, fear of what people think about me, fear of their pronunciation. This is a very common problem. They always think about that. As well as they have a one very common problem that can remove, but problem is that they always think about that but they never ever try to work for that. That things is practice because English is just such a language. The more you practice the better you will improve. What will you think about me that what our I am I have completed my study in English medium. There is nothing you asked to me. So when I was study in 10th class, 9th class, that time I didn't know anything about this language. But I have a one biggest things inside me. Whenever I'm not talking about English, I'm talking about any kind of work. When I decide that yes, I have to do this work anyhow, I don't know how I will do what I have to do until I finish, until I get, until I reach. I don't stop. Yeah, I have a one very biggest things inside me that I always appreciate about it. Yeah, and I have a one dream about which I am talking. That thing says my dream is that I have to be fluent speaker because one day I was speaking English, so I have a some of friend as well as I don't say that he is my friend. I say that say they behave like enemy. So he was saying that you want to become Angrez, you will unable to speak English. But at that time I did not say anything. I said to them that is okay. And whether I will not become Angrez, still I will learn. What is your problem? I am doing what I like to do. You do what you like to do. Please don't tell me. So I don't want your opinion. You put your opinion inside you. I don't worry. I don't want that you give me your good opinion because of what opinion I have, what things I have, what knowledge I have. I am very happy with that, and I always try to be strong. I don't want to your support. You know. So guys, see if you have some kind of dream, so you don't have to listen that what people say about me, about my dream, about my work, about my family. You have to focus that how I can reach and what should I do for reach there. Always remember when you want to do something, you must work for that. You must achieve that thing. You know, this is a very important thing which I am telling you because I am not talking about you. I have also this kind of problem whenever I uh, what you call a lesson that someone is talking about me, about my dream, something wrong. That time I feel what you call very weird. But after that I say to myself, this is a not good time for fighting with them. Let them say what they want to say. If I argue with them, I will unable to work properly on my dream. That things always make me strong. Believe me. So you don't have to share anything about your dream before achieve because after achieve what you want to achieve, people will clap you, people will appreciate you. But until you success, until you achieve, people will always say you useless person. They always do unnecessary work. People will say like this. But don't worry, I did not start this uh, work for impress other. We start this work for prove myself that yes, I have a deal power and I can do every kind of work. Whether this work is difficult, but I am more stronger than this work. I am more knowledgeable than these things. So bye guys, I will meet you next one.